Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you my top favorite and best base products which I like the most as a number, because these are total 11 products and I give you full information about these products, that how it works for me, or 10 to 1 which one is on number 1 place. So let's start the video. Friends, first of all, this is a primer or a skincare from Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. I love this one and I like this one because, friends, it gives a very smooth effect on your face and it disappeared your pores permanently, I can say, and this give a little bit glow. You can use it as a highlighter or as a primer, or even you can use it with your foundation, and this one is a good product. Next, friends, this is from a drugstore from Blue Heaven, and it is also a primer and it's perfect for makeup base, and it's oil free and non-greasy, and most of the time I use it in summer. So this one is on second place as a primer. Next, friends, this Just Love Matte+Portless HD High Definition Foundation, and this is a very cheap, you can say very affordable brand, and good coverage and give a good second skin look. And friends, this one in the shade 12, and it is pretty dark for me, but I love it in when I have tan or in summer, but it's not long lasting foundation. Next, friends, this pretty natural hydrating foundation with hyaluron and plus aloe vera. This is from Essence, and I have the shade 070 warm cashew. This claim it is a hydrating foundation, but I think it is a fully matte foundation, because on my skin it's fully transfer proof, and the shade of this one is light than my skin tone, and it's not for summers. You can see I write it on the tube because it not suit me in summers. Next, friends, on this one from Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop, and this one in shade 7, and friends, it is a matte skin tint, and I like this one, but most of the time I skip it because it not give full coverage. It is a skin tint, but it blends effortlessly and blur the pores and your imperfection of your skin. So that's that. Next, friends, this one, this is from r.e.m Beauty, and this is new in my collection. I use it only one time, and this is also a beautiful foundation. It's a sweetener, and this is also a skin tint. And friends, it is in the shade medium 2N, and this claims so much claim this foundation. It says it is a blur skin to soft focus perfection with this lightweight foundation infused with Hydra Smooth Essence and botanicals known to help correct dullness and reduce the look of pores and hyperpigmentation. So if you use it daily, or then it can help to your skin, improve your skin texture. Next friends, these are in my top 5. So on 5th place, this from NutriGlow Daily Defense Skin Cream. It's from India, and in first I don't like this one, but when I use day by day, it work very well for me. So this is light to medium, and it also in my project pan. As you can see how much it's left in this tube. And friends, 50 ml of product in this little tube. It is a skin care, or it gives a little bit glow and coverage to your skin. So this one is on 5th place. Next friends, this is Catrice True Skin Foundation. It is a hydrating foundation and long wear with hyaluronic acid. This is also my favorite. And friends, but sometime our skin texture is changed and our preferences is changed. So now this is on my 4th place foundation, which I like the most. Next friends, this one, it is from e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter, and everybody know that it is a close dupe of a Shelterly Hollywood Flawless Filter Glow Booster, I think. So it's in the shade tan, medium to tan. So this is a very dark for me, so I use it with my light shade foundations, which good for I use it as a primer or as a base with other foundation. Next friends, these two are my favorite, all-time favorite foundation, and this is from MaxFactor Face Finity and Flawless All Day Flawless Foundation. This is 3-in-1 foundation, and it has primer, concealer and foundation in one. SPF 20. So this is a good foundation, and I definitely buy another one when I finish this one. It's close to finish. You can see the window of this bottle, and friends, little bit left in this bottle. And this is a full coverage and long lasting foundation, sweat proof and waterproof. So this is on my second, or you can say first most favorite foundation, but I use it in summer with this e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. So these two products which I use most in the summer. And on one place, this is my new favorite from Maybelline New York Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. This is also from with hyaluronic acid and collagen. And friends, this is in the shade 21 Nude. It is a very long lasting foundation, and friends, this gives your skin, it look like your skin but better. It not show fully on face like you wear makeup. This is a very natural kind of foundation and give little bit glow to your face. So that's that. So these are all my base products which I like the most. Every product is different with each other, and every product I like and use very well. So I hope you like the video, friends. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, friends.